Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to add your laptop camera in OBS Studio. If you want to record your face while recording your screen or streaming, this will help you set it up easily. So let's get started. First, open the Start menu on your computer. Now go to Settings. From the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Make sure camera access is turned on. Also make sure Let Apps Access Your Camera is enabled. And most importantly, turn on Let Desktop Apps Access Your Camera. Once done, close Settings. Now open OBS Studio. Make sure you have a scene created. If not, click on the plus icon under Scenes and create a new one. Now go to Sources and click on the plus icon. Select Video Capture Device. You can give it any name and press OK. Now click on the drop-down next to Device. Select your laptop camera from the list. You can leave other settings as default and press OK. Now your camera will appear on the screen. You can resize it by dragging the corners. You can also move it anywhere on the screen. Now whenever you start recording or streaming, your webcam will also be included. So this is how you can add your laptop camera to OBS Studio. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.